Hello, this is number 80, Unauthorized Access Detection and Response. Welcome back to our lecture. If you have any question, feel free to let us know. You can contact us through MS Teams IBS English channel or my email. Number 80's lab overview is like this. Unauthorized user can deduce the password and access the affected server. Then there can be a possibility of damage such as information leakage. So we should detect and respond to them. The lab environment is consisted of attack server and victim server. The attack server is Kali Linux and the victim server is CentOS 6.0. This lab's attack type is that because of the password reasoning, account information takeover is occurred. The symptom is that there are excessive attempts to connect to the victim server with the wrong password. The attack method, detection and response method is shown in the following slides. The lab task is that during monitoring via Wireshark on the victim server, it was found that the attacker was using the account Cyber123 that is not assigned to the victim server and stealing a server file. So, please change your password for that account and block the attacker's IP via IP tables. For the lab, you may connect to the CyberAegis site. The site address and login account is given to you already, and some tips for solving some problems are also given. If you still have problems, please let us know. You can use MS Teams IBS English channel or my email. The lab environment is consisted of attack server and the victim server. The attack server is Kali Linux and the victim server is CentOS 6.0. The attacker server's account is root and the password is tour. The victim server's account is root and the password is root123. The first step of lab is initiated by attacker in attacker's server. You, as an attacker, run the terminal on attack server. The terminal icon is shown here in the yellow and red rectangle. By double-clicking the terminal icon, terminal is executed. Now, attacker runs ifconfig to get the network address of its server. This step on victim server run Wireshark for packet capturing. The Wireshark icon is shown here in the yellow rectangle. By double-clicking the Wireshark icon, Wireshark is executed. Then select ETH0 as the interface and click Start menu. Now, packet capturing is started. Now, the attacker tries to FTP login. In this case, the account Cyber123 and the password QWER1031 mark. The login is performed successfully. Here, we assume that the attacker tried with any sum method and she get the password. And the attacker gets the password file takeover. Here, the password file is readable by the attacker account to Cyber123. Nowadays, the password file is now readable to regular account. In defense tab, you check the security log. This is done by follow TCP stream menu in mouse right button on one of the FTP packets. We can see that there are login attempts with the account Cyber123 from IP address 10.10.1.4. With many trial errors, the attacker gets the chance to guess the right password. This is the big feature, and the login incorrect is shown there. Now, for defense, you should change the password of the account Cyber123. This is done with the password command. After the password change, check the log file in real time. with the command tail-f var log secure, you can see the log file. Now, this time, the attacker's log with the account cyber123 is failed, since in the previous step the account cyber123's password is changed. Your defense is good. The log file var log secure shows the login failure of cyber123. Now, we'll block the attacker's IP address. This is done using IP tables. You can type IP tables -I input -s attacker's server IP -j drop, and then save IP tables service and restart it. Now, we can see that this time the attacker's FTP connection is failed. Finally, you check your lab. This time, IP address of attack server and the protocol type FTP are also typed. Thank you for listening the lecture.